Welcome to the open source release of the Dimension-0 battery. This is not a secret. This is for everyone. The idea is open source, but this video is the official record of the theory and design. If anything major comes from it, please credit Dimension-0 battery, created by me. Now let's walk through how to build the first test scale prototype. Step 1. The signal generator and driver. You will need a small signal generator that can sweep from kilohertz into the megahertz range. Connect it to a small power amplifier. This is the source that drives the system. Step 2. The coil. Wind a flat pancake coil with enamel wire, or use a small solenoid. This will generate the electromagnetic resonance that interacts with the test material. Step 3. The ferroelectric or piezoelectric stack. Take a piezo disc, or a barium titanate ceramic tile, and sandwich it between two copper foil electrodes. This stack is the heart of the Dimension-0 battery. It acts as the memory medium, where energy is recorded not only as charge, but as information. Step 4. The rectifier. Connect the output leads from the stack to a simple bridge rectifier, built from Schottky diodes. This converts the alternating output into direct current. Step 5. The capacitor. After the rectifier, add an ultra-low leakage capacitor. This will buffer and hold the output charge. Step 6. The measurement. Connect the capacitor to an oscilloscope, or a sensitive voltmeter. This will let you see the decay curve after you stop driving the system. Now here is the key test. Drive the coil at resonance for 10 seconds. Then disconnect the signal generator completely. Watch the oscilloscope as the voltage decays. In a normal RC circuit, the voltage decays exponentially at a predictable rate. If the Dimension-0 effect is real, you may see persistence longer than the classical RC prediction. You may also see training, where repeated cycles produce stronger or longer lasting signals. Controls are critical. Run the system inside a Faraday cage to block stray radio frequencies. Test with a blank plate instead of the ferroelectric stack. Control for temperature, since heating can mimic persistence. Control for mechanical vibration, since piezo effects can create false signals. If you see output 3 times higher than your RF baseline, if the persistence lasts longer than RC theory allows, and if the effect repeats across multiple builds, then you may have captured the first Dimension-0 signature. This project is experimental. It is potentially dangerous if you do not use caution. High voltages and radio frequency energy can cause harm. I am not responsible for any injury, damage, or consequences. Please build carefully, and only if you understand the risks. This is the open source release of the Dimension-0 battery. If you try it, share your results. Post reply videos, publish your data, improve the design, and join the experiment. Together, we can find out if the memory of reality itself can hold energy. Dimension-0 battery. Open source. For the people.